Pulsecraft 2025 dives into cutting-edge smartphones, AI chips, and the sensors shaping our increasingly connected world. It unpacks the foundational ideas behind each device, the machines that empower them, and the intelligence guiding their choices. From compact mobile AI accelerators to cloud supercomputers, the episode reveals how silicon, software, and data partner to deliver real-time insight. Along the way, it shows how robotics, autonomous systems, and smart sensors knit together ecosystems that redefine work and play. By tracing creators, architectures, and ethics, this series illuminates the digital landscape while staying mindful of human impact.